Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious cheesy chicken flautas. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of chicken breast, flour tortillas, 16 ounces of cheese, 6 ounces of cream cheese, 2 packages of your favorite taco seasoning mix, 1 can of seasoned diced tomatoes and green chilies, and oil. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the taco seasoning I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using 1.5 packages. So I'm going to grab my chicken breast, and I already cleaned them. And I'm just going to add a little bit of the seasoning on both sides of my chicken. And of course you can throw it in your crock pot or your instant pot. And then just add the mix on top of it. I just like to make sure that my chicken is covered with the seasoning. Alright, so I'm going to be using my pressure cooker. Of course, if you don't have one, you can use a crock pot. So I'm going to insert my little steamer rack inside my pressure cooker. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of chicken broth, or you can use water. And I'm just going to place my chicken. Just place it inside like that. Gonna get all my seasoning mix. And I'm going to throw in my can of tomatoes and just place it on top of your chicken. Alright, so we're going to close it. Alright, so we're going to set it on pressure cook setting. Make sure that it's on high, and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. And just make sure the valve is on sealing. Alright guys, so once our chicken breasts are done, now we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to release the steam. Alright, so we're going to open it. But carefully, we're going to remove our chicken from our Instant Pot. Alright, so your chicken should be super soft. And now we're just going to allow it to cool down so we can begin shredding. Alright guys, so I removed the broth from my Instant Pot, and I'm just going to return 1/2 cup. And to that, I'm going to add my cream cheese. And I'm just going to mix it with that so it can dissolve. Okay, so just break it down and just make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature, so like that it's easy to break down. And like that, once our chicken is nice and shredded, we can return it back in here, and then we can make our flautas. Alright, so we're just going to shred our chicken now. And of course, if it's easier for you, you can use your mixer. Alright guys, so once we have our chicken all nice and shredded, now we're going to return it to our mixture. Alright, so throw it in there. So just mix it. And now you want to try it for salt and see if it needs any. And if it does, go ahead and add more of the taco mix. But for me, it's perfect. Just make sure that you reserve at least 1 tablespoon of the taco mix, because we're going to be using it for our oil. Okay, so once our chicken is like that, now we're going to add some cheese. And just mix it. Alright, so now we are ready to make our flautas. Alright guys, so once we're ready to make our flautas, we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. Alright, so now we're going to mix 1 cup of oil with 1 tablespoon of a taco mix. Just mix it. Alright, so once we have oil ready, now we can start rolling. Alright, so now we're going to grab our flour tortilla, and we're going to grab our brush and lightly brush some oil. Flip it over to the other side, and we're going to add our filling. So add as much as you want. And I'm going to add more cheese. Okay, now begin rolling. Make sure that it's tight. Okay, and start placing them on your baking sheet. Alright, so once our baking sheet is ready, now we're going to place them in our oven and bake them for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to flip our flautas over. So just be careful. And flip them to the other side. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our flautas are done. So now we can remove them from the oven. Okay, so now we can remove them from the baking sheet. Okay, so we're going to remove them from the baking sheet and place them on our plate. Alright guys, so once we're ready to serve our delicious flautas, now we're just going to serve it. I'm just going to serve it with some sour cream and salsa. And now we're just ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. I love taquitos, flautas, however you want to call them. They're just perfect. Enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. The cheese, the chicken, everything is just perfect. The best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious cheesy chicken flautas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.